Recording.
We're here with Zinnia. Zinnia. Z-I-N-N-A, right? Z-I-N-N-I-A? Zinnia. Zinnia's 7 years old. She's getting her first adjustment today. She's extremely active in gymnastics. I hear you're a star gymnast. Is this true?
Yes.
I hear you're like the best ever.
Okay.
So she's getting her first adjustment. We did some scans on her. We just went over them with Mom. But we did this already, but in the other room, we're scoping Miss Zinnia, and she has a few subluxation areas. And for those of you who scope, you'll see the needle go one way and come back over here. So that's a sign of a subluxation right there. So that's an area that we want to adjust, look at and adjust. Zinnia did an awesome job getting her scan, getting checked. I said she needs to be the model for every kid that comes in here because she was awesome. So why would kids get adjusted? Because she is a gymnast and she is extremely active and she tortures her body and her brother wrestle. All right, so we're gonna go to this table first. You think you could climb up here? You're gonna step up on this little platform. It's a little wobbly, but this will test your balance, see how good you really are in a balance beam. And then your face is gonna kind of go, well, it's gonna go here, but you're gonna lean forward and then we'll scoot you up when you get up to the top. Are you excited? This is exciting. This is a historic day.
She's been looking forward to it, actually.
So we're gonna fly up here, Supergirl. And then your hands are gonna go rest right over here. So Zinnia, when I start pushing on your spine, you're gonna hear popping noises like popcorn, okay? So all that is gas and air coming out of your spine. It's not actually things breaking and cracking. But she's brave. So you're gonna relax everything down, melt into the table. You're going to feel me lean into you and push, okay? Good job. I'm gonna check the rest of you. I'm gonna check your knees. Make sure you can spring off the ground super high. Neo doing leapfrog over here. He could be a. Let's see, he's going to be a star long jumper. So I'm going to adjust her knee a little bit. This is called a speeder board. And all I'm going to do is get on her tibia because her tibia is a little stuck. You don't have to be so quiet.
I'm getting over the heart attack I just had when he jumped. And yeah, I have these little mini heart attacks.
You doing good, sweetness?
I'm like so used to him.
Let me have you turn over on your back. You can
God
flip over.
forbid.
Yeah.
Awesome, good job.
Like,
I'm going to check your little piggies, okay?
But I didn't want to do it. Listen to those piggy toes. I told you, didn't I?
That's good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
See, something happened. It stopped. I had to restart it. I restarted it immediately, but... You just never know.
You're going to be able to do super higher back handsprings faster.
I can't even do it. I can't sing.
No, you're getting there.
Yeah.
So Zinnia's recording is going to go on YouTube soon in 2 parts. Just FYI.
We're going to screw on this in here. We're going to go to this table next.
That's not Zinnia. That's Nia.
We're going to lay over here. So you're going to lay on your side. Your shoulder's going to go here, and your head's going to go here. You're going to bend this top leg. Keep the bottom one straight. You're going to hug and love yourself. I will not drop you on the ground, okay? You're going to feel me stretch you out like a rubber band and lean and push. Good job. Good job.
Excellent.
And we're going to go back to this chair.
You're next.
She's got the best dimples.
She does,
Let's
doesn't
make
she?
sure they're in alignment. Make sure they're straight. Are your cheeks straight? Her cheeks are straight. All right, Miss Zinnia. So I'm going to adjust right behind your left ear, okay? So those popping noises you heard over there might be a little louder because it's right behind your ear. You were doing
Said left.
amazingly awesome. You're relaxing. You're just letting me do my thing. I feel no tension in her or resistance or anything. So you don't feel me? Just push that way. Good job.
Is that awesome? It's awesome.
She's doing amazingly well.
We'll see about Leo.
He's a boy, totally different animal.
Yeah, very different.
Well, good job, Zinni. How did you like your first adjustment? Was that awesome?
Yes.
Good job. You did amazing. Give me 5. All right.
Want me to just keep rolling or stop?
Now we'll stop it and then we'll do him on the second one.
Okay. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Do you want